If you want to use a memory card or microSD card on your iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max, then in that case you need to use a memory card reader. For example, I have this one. This is a pretty huge one, so it is definitely inconvenient to use. In fact, I think pretty much every memory card reader is inconvenient to use, but the idea is that you insert the memory card into the memory card reader, and then using the USB-C cable of the memory card reader, you insert it into the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max, and then you can easily use the USB storage like this, or the storage of your memory card actually. And of course, there are smaller memory card readers. You don't have to get exactly the same one that I do. You can find them on websites such as Amazon or similar, and they are fairly cheap as well. So if you desperately need to get more space for your iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max, then of course you can use the memory card reader for that. And you can use it just in case you, or just in situations where you actually need to use it. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.